We're at Cape Grange campground.
Which is meant to be booked up.
Which is meant to be booked up. There's no one here. It's really strange. And there's no camp host. And there's the beats. And we're just trying to decide where to stop. So last time we were here, we stayed at stop number 2. But there's lots of empty spaces, so we actually got a lot of choice. Didn't expect to find a lot of choice.
So there's that one.
So this is where we were last time, which is pleasant enough. I mean, where's the sun going? The sun's there. Well, we're still trying to work this out. So the sun's over there, and it still depends on the shade and stuff. Let's go and check out number 4. Settled in, campsite number 2, which is where we stayed last time, and Mr. Kangaroo came around in the morning eating the dewy, grassy stuff. And there's no camp hosts, so we've just parked ourselves, go for a little walk. Beautiful part of the world. There you go, day use area. Got a little barbecue and a rubbish bin. That's good to know. Okay.
That one.
Mount Legrand is that one. Is that right?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I thought it'd be taller. We are at Cape Legrand. Peak, distance, the waves, the sand, and no one's here. Well, there's a few people wandering around, but not many. I was surprised. I thought it would have been so much busier. Anyway, how's that? Should we try fishing out on the shore? What do you think, Philip? We have champagne, we have party fires. What more could you want?
The sun.
We have sunshine. We have showers, rubbish bins. We have ranger's notes, but there are no notes. And we got beach. Yeah. And water you can boil. So, camp kitchen. Might be coming here. Good. I've got a book here last time about something. Oh, there's a swap book box still there. We got hot plate, we got sink. Ah, it's good. Work. Here we are at the Lucky Bay. Are we lucky? We are lucky. I did a jigsaw puzzle this once, earlier this year. And we're not the luckiest ones. We're not the only lucky ones, man. It's beautiful. Mr. Man was fishing before. Obviously he's not catching anything, he's stopped. And pause, stop video. No, that doesn't work. So, how cold's the water?
Arctic.
Arctic.
It's beautiful.
But it's a stunning place, isn't it? Look at it's 50 degrees, 60 degrees. So we're going to turn around in a second. Yep, something like that.
Yep. We've got to get around to the other side.
Got to get around to the other side, so it's still going. About 180 degrees so far. And
I don't know if you can see over there the bay. And over there.
Going back again. Oh, it's stunning. It's lovely. How nice is this? Right. Stop video. That doesn't work on it. So the kangaroos do visit, if you're lucky. Right time of the day, afternoon apparently. And there's fresh water around here for them, which is why they like coming here. So we haven't seen any kangaroos, I suppose it's just time of the day. It's working. So we're leaving Lucky Bay and heading to Thistle Cove. Anyway, so there's the campground and it's very, very busy. You can't get in. But it's people in other spots. There we are. Look at that. A lot of people. Thistle Bay, Thistle Cove, whatever. Right, Thistle Cove. As in thistle, flower, plant, not thistle as in this'll do. Anyway, it's not bad. Nice beach. Quartz grainy sand. Crunches as you walk on it. And if you're going to go fishing here, you have to tie yourself to the rock. Because can get quite hairy. We've left Lucky Bay and Thistle Point behind, and away we go.
That must be Esperance.
Where? Where's Esperance? Over the other side.
Big white thing.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. The big white thing over there in the distance is Esperance.